France brings cattle disease under control. French authorities have reported a sharp decline in outbreaks of lumpy skin disease, a viral infection that affects cattle. The disease, which causes fever, skin nodules, and reduced milk production, had spread rapidly earlier this summer, raising concerns about animal welfare and trade restrictions. Officials now say the threat has eased thanks to an intensive vaccination program and strict monitoring measures. Since late August, no new cases have been detected in affected regions such as Savoie and Ain. More than 220,000 cattle have been vaccinated, covering over 90% of herds in at-risk areas. Although 77 cases were confirmed during the outbreak, swift action limited its impact. Around 1,700 animals had to be culled to prevent further transmission, but veterinary experts suggest the strategy was effective in halting the spread. The successful containment has reassured both farmers and European trade partners. France's dairy and beef sectors, which faced temporary export restrictions, are expected to recover quickly if the disease remains under control. While officials remain cautious, the episode highlights the importance of rapid response systems in agriculture and the increasing role of cross-border cooperation in protecting food supplies and livestock health.